Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from ZozoStockwatch.com, and this is your stock watch list for Tuesday, the 27th of March. Let's get into some of the news that came out after the bell tonight. Overstock.com did an offering, this courtesy of the trade exchange, and as you can see here, Overstock moving down sharply in the after hours. We did have some earnings after the bell tonight. Red Hat did move up after the bell on their earnings. Kramer came out with a positive tweet on their earnings, and also they upped their guidance on Red Hat. So that stock powering up in the after hours. Earnings per share revenue beat on Red Hat. Let's go ahead and take a further look at some news. GIS came out with an offering. That stock down. General Mills down in the after hours. Actually was moving up through the session. General Mills got a positive write-up in Barron's, and then tonight after the bell they came out and announced that they were going to be doing a proposed public offering, and that stock, General Mills, moving down. Let's go ahead and look at some other news that came out after the bell. We had RXII Pharmaceuticals. They beat by 12 cents, but not much happening there. PUMP, earnings per share of 12 cents. So PUMP, that stock moving down in the after hours on PUMP. That's an oil name. Some top insider purchases, courtesy once again of the trade exchange built for traders by traders. We had APO, ATNX, LJPC, KFY, ETM, SXCP. Schlumberger, SLB, CEO purchased 10K at 64.68 on Schlumberger. Let's see if there's any reaction in that name. Yeah, a few ticks up here in the after hours on that Schlumberger. And then LGCY seems to be getting a lot of insider buying each day. LGCY, notice that one came up. That one moving up in the after hours on LGCY. Let's go ahead and get the news out of the way from the trade exchange. Let's go ahead and here's that chart of LGCY. And for the past, I don't know, it seems weeks, they've been getting a lot of insider buying. So as you note, it's been moving up nicely on the daily chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at our futures before we get into talking about the SPY and today's day. The Dow futures up 91 points, S&P futures up 7.5, NASDAQ futures up 27. Still early in the session, but nice day for in the SPY as we held the 200 SMA here. Bulls showed up, so bears could not break this 200 SMA. China kind of came to the rescue today, saying they're going to purchase more semiconductors from the United States. So maybe they're starting to negotiate the tariffs or deal for the United States. We'll see how that all plays. We'll probably be gapping up again tomorrow for another push up. We'll see how that all plays out as we get closer to the morning session. So good day for the bulls. Nice bounce back. SPY almost, Dow almost up 700 points for the day. A nice point gain for the Dow today, and so we'll see what the bulls have left in the tank for tomorrow. It is a 4-day trading week this week. We do have a Good Friday coming up, and so the market only has 4 trading days this week. I would imagine going into Thursday's session, though, it'll start to quiet down in the afternoon, so with the market closing Friday. All right, let's go ahead and get into the watch list for tonight. All right, first one up on my list is this AKER. All right, gapped up today. But still can't get above $1. High today was 98 cents. So we'll see how they want to set this one up for us tomorrow, AKER. So that'll be on watch, either the high of day break or maybe it pops up over $1. We'll wait for a pullback, and then maybe if it gets back over $1 again, we might get a trade in it on AKER. AMPA has been moving up nicely. 1.1 million shares came into it. So that one, up here at the highs, nice candle. Keep an eye on that one above the 50 SMA. ARQL had a big pop. Now, Gurn I thought Gurn was overextended, but they kept pushing that one up. So maybe ARQL might have another day in it here. You had that two-stick pullback to the 5 EMA, then the big pop today. A lot of volume came in this today. So maybe if it gets up over the highs today of 320, 325, you might get a more continuation move in ARQL. If this wasn't having earnings on Wednesday, I would consider this a swing trade right now, holding above the 50, looking a nice, good candle today. But it does have earnings coming out Wednesday, so I'll just keep it on like an intraday play maybe for BlackBerry. So we'll see. CHGG, this daily chart showing good strength here over above the 10, the 20. Keep an eye on this one, looking good. High today was 22.21, so 22.25, and then you have to get up through 22.39. DBX, the IPO from Friday, we got a nice trade in this on Friday. If you look at the intraday chart, 30.50 kind of bumping its head up against 30.50 for the entire day. So you have to think if it gets up over 30.50, maybe get a continuation move. There was a little pop back here up to 30.75, so just keep that in mind on Dropbox. Not much action going on here, but if it gets back over maybe 410, back over the 10 SMA, which is around 406, so 410 might get dries moving. The daily chart holding above the 20, the 50 now, so we'll see on dries. Also, tops, we actually got a nice trade in this today. In tops, we came in and traded this over $2.06. And we got a beautiful pop up to $2.50 today on top. So I'll have this on watch again today. You see it's holding above the 50 SMA. That 250 number is still in the way here. So we'll see if this sets up intraday on TOPS. Next one up is DSS. We had a nice pop here on Friday, right when the market was moving down. Then we get this kind of a inside day here, holding above the 50 SMA. Looks like it needs to get over that $1.75 spot on DSS, so keep that one on watch. DYN, full disclosure, we have a swing trade already going in this DYN, so moving up nicely. Nice chart there on DYN. Foot Locker, FINL got taken out today. Finish line gapping up there on finish line. So FL, a lot of call activity mentioned by Trade Exchange on Friday. So maybe this one wants to make a continuation move up on Foot Locker. Keep an eye on that. It's weird, right? A lot of apparel, shoe stocks moving up. Crocs, DSW, all moving up. Let me see, is Deck moving up? No, not Deck, but DSW and Crocs, all beautiful charts here. So maybe Foot Locker wants to make another move up tomorrow. UAA, Under Armour, also this daily chart setting up probably maybe over a break of 1675 or so on Under. It's pulled back quite a bit. After, John Najarian was mentioned that he was going to be on the board, we have NETE that's moved down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 9 out of 10 days here or so, right? We're still under the 5 EMA, but if we ever get over the highs for today, possible reversal move there. The high today was 824, so if we start to get back over the $8 area, NETE might reverse. So keeping that one on watch, kind of like a bounce play type of watch. ONCS, this stock holding up today. Volume 2.6 million shares. The high of the day was $1.90, so over $1.95 in that area. Maybe we get that $2 break on ONCS. Been kind of going sideways for the longest time here, so keep an eye on that. Now, as we get closer to Spotify, symbol SPOT, the IPO coming out, maybe Pandora catches a little bit of buying in here. There was a lot of call activity. Still has this gap to fill back here up at around $7 or so. If this gets over 545, 550, we did have a recent high of 555, so maybe back over 550. Pandora gets going. Letter P. Seed. We got a trade in this one this afternoon. popped up. So seed popping, had this big move up here, pulled back, holding this support area here of about 80 cents, starting to turn the corner back up on seed. So keep an eye on that one. SSC had a nice move today, 2.2 million shares. A high today was 250, and the 200 SMA is right at 247. So maybe 255 is the number for this one to get up over on SSC. Nice volume there on that one. TDOC, a nice stock holding up strong. We have that 44 level up above 43.75. If it gets up over 43.75, possible swing trade. Would like to see a little more volume come into this name on that one. Another name I'll be watching for tomorrow, SPWR. Solar's had a good day. TAN, nice move up here today. FSLR had a nice move up. CSIQ also moved up nicely. So SPWR looks like if it can get up over, this 200 SMA volume today, 2.2 million, $8.33 is where the 200 SMA is. We actually traded this one in the room today. We got a nice pop as it broke through $32, but then succeeded to give everything back pretty much on this one. But if it gets back over $32 again, maybe I'll keep another eye on Twitter. Wing, WIN. Holding above the 50 SMA. Not much damage done to this stock through all the selling going on. We're up here at 48.32. So maybe 48.50 gets this one going. Nice daily chart here. Full disclosure, we're already in this one for a swing trade. Nice move up, and we've already taken some partials on Intel. So nice move and set up there in Intel today. MLCO out of China Melco Resorts, trying to get back over the 50 SMA. Possible swing trade in this name, 1.8 million share. Torch. All right, this will be the last one I leave you with. TRCH. Kind of thinking maybe it does a LGCY kind of move. I don't say that far, but maybe if it gets back over the highs of today, it's a slow mover, only 200,000 shares. But if it gets over maybe 140 or so, TRCH, you might want to keep that one on watch for a possible swing trade in this small energy name, TRCH. All right, everybody, have a great night. Thanks for listening. This is Mike from Zozo, stocktwits.com.